Hello, so today we come with a game, this or that.
What would you choose? My first question is Relic Smile, Surface Ability, or Banana.
So I think my preferred procedure of choice is a lenticule procedure, that is Relax Smile. I would choose that whenever it is possible because this procedure is without a flap, without a bead, there's no dryness in smile, the recovery is rapid and the strength of your cornea is preserved much better. So my preferred procedure is Relax Smile. However, there are instances where it's not possible, like there's some irregularity on the cornea, the thickness is not allowing. In those cases, I would probably go in for a surface treatment or a phakic IOL, or when there is a plus minus number. Like a plus number as of now cannot be treated with a lenticule procedure, then I would opt for a bladeless LASIK, never a bladeless.
My second question is what would you choose? Relic Smile or ICL?
So again, that depends. Okay, this is a very, so long as smile is possible safely, then I'm going for smile because it's a procedure of the surface of the eye. The risk is like you can't get a retinal detachment at the end of fundus, you can't lose your vision. So surface procedure is my first choice, so long as it can be done safely. So even if your number is 8, but your corneal thickness is good, your scan is clean, your age, the surface of your eye, if you're eligible for smile, that is my first choice. But the moment it goes into a gray zone, where your number is like 10, or it's 8, but the thickness is like less than 500. Like if there is any kind of doubt in the safety of doing a cornea, because a laser is weakening the cornea, and I don't want to take any risk when we're doing a refractive surgery. It's a cosmetic surgery, and if the laser is not possible, then like very safe procedure is phakic IOL or ICL. So that would again depend on what you are eligible for, what your number is, what your age is, what your corneal thickness is, what your corneal topography looks like.
Okay, now what will you choose? Monofocal or multifocal IOL?
If I were to get cataract surgery done, I think I would opt for a multifocal implant because I think I would still like to be spectacally independent and not need reading glasses. Even if I had to choose an implant for my parents, my relatives, I would definitely, I am convinced with the advantages of a monofocal or a lead-off lens. Again, this is a personal choice. If someone is very willing to wear reading glasses, they can go ahead with a multifocal lens. And if somebody is very motivated, they don't want reading glasses at any cost. They want perfect vision for distance, intermediate near, they don't want glasses at all, then I think multifocal implant is a better choice. So I would probably choose a multifocal implant for my eyes when I get there, but otherwise I leave it up to the patient to make their choice depending on their lifestyle and their requirements. Thank you.